Hello guys, this Heavy White Crypto 59 channel. I greet you all. This is another crypto mining application that I bring to our notice this day. It is actually a new project, and the project actually has has a form of that of Pi. And I believe nobody want to fade on this. A lot of people actually faded on Pi, and this is another opportunity that is coming our way this day. So it will be better for each and everyone to actually launch into this project as soon as possible. And the name of the project is TTC Network. TTC Network, that is the name of the project, just like we have Pi Network. So this is a new project that has actually come out recently and is called TTC Network. Now, if you look at their roadmap that has been diagrammatically represented, you're going to see that we have the base mining rates analysis here. So as you can see, this green button or green rectangular button we have at the top here showing now. So it means that they are at the first base mining rate presently. Why? Because the project just launched in recent, and the base mining rate presently is 0.8 TCC per hour. Now, when the project gets to first halving, then it will move from this 0.08 TCC per hour to 0.4 TCC per hour. Now, you shouldn't worry, because I'm going to give full tutorial on how to go about registering for these mining projects and how to get the application downloaded into your phone. Because if you go to your Play Store, you're not going to get this application on Play Store. Why? Because the project just got launched, so the application is not yet available in the Play Store. So the process for you to get registered, I'm going to be leaving the registration, the link in the description button, so that you click on the link as you get yourself registered. But meanwhile, in the video, you're going to see the full tutorial on how to go about the registration. So this is a new project that no one is expected to fade it. Why? Because it also has a very huge potential like that of Pi, and this was how Pi actually started, and a lot of us actually faded it, and we are regretting today. So if you don't want to regret like you regretted in the time of Pi, then you do yourself a lot of good to opt in immediately. As you are seeing this video, you just go to the description button and click on the link there to get yourself registered, then follow the video to the end so that you get the full tutorial on how to go about registering and how to get the application downloaded into your phone as you might through the app. So this is how the environment of the project actually looks like. Now let's start by registering a new account. So we want to register a new account. Now this is the link. Now what is expected of you to do is to click on the link. Now when you click on the link, the mining environment, the project environment will actually come up. So this is the registration page for the project. So the registration page is this, and the first thing it asks of you is to put in your first name. So you put in your first name. Like I usually say, make sure that the name you are putting or the name you are using is the name that is verifiable. The name that is verifiable, because of course a time will come when there's going to be KYC. So if you're using the name that is not verifiable with what you want to use as an identity to verify, to confirm the reality of the name you're supplying, you're going to have problem in future. So make sure you're using the name that is verifiable. So I'm putting this Blessing. So if you have middle name, if your means of identification has middle name, so you can put it. If it doesn't have, have, then jump the middle name and put the last name. Of course, you know the last name is the surname, so put the surname. So after this, you jump to username. Which username you want to use? The username you want to use, you put it there. For me, I put this. Yeah. So the password, what is the password you want to use? Make sure you use password that you cannot forget easily. A lot of people had that problem during Pi. So there is that. So you repeat your password again to be sure there is no mistakes. So after that, your email, put your email, which email you want to use. This is my own email. Then your phone number, include your phone number. You start with your country code. Your country code. Okay. 34. As for me, I'm a Nigerian, so it's +234 1 6 1 3 9 8 1 5 6. So that is that. So once you click on the invitation link, you don't need to put the invitation code. The invitation code will automatically reflect there. So you click on sign up. So you're signing up right now. Very good. So you save the password. So now we have actually signed up into this project. So this is the environment and this is how it looks. Now if you look at this, the right hand side that looks like a charging symbol, you're going to see a right up there that is asking us to click to mine. Click to mining. So you click on it. When you click on it, okay, now clicking on it is the app is asking us to log in again. So of course, you know, we save our login details, so we just need to click on this to log in. Click OK. So we have actually logged in now. So we still click on this, click to mining. We click on it like this, and now we are actually into the first 24 hours mining. So the mining has started. If you look at the top, you discover that the mining has begun and the number has started reading. So now if you want to actually activate the mining for the next 24 hours, now you still need to come back to this symbol that looks like charging symbol at the right hand side here. At the right hand side, then you click on that symbol again, then it will start mining, or it will continue to mine for the next 24 hours. So that is how to go about it. It's as simple as Pi. Of course, you know, it's just for you to come once in a day and reactivate the mining, and when you are consistent, you discover that your token keep increasing and accumulating. So with time, you will mine a lot of token for yourself before getting to the first halving. And now if you don't want to go through that process, you can come to this left hand top corner, and where you see the three parallel lines, click on it. So when you click on the three parallel lines, you come to where you see mine TCC. So when you click on mine TCC, it will show you the mining rate. Of course, if the first 24 hours has actually concluded, you're going to see a command that is asking you to mine, to reactivate the mining. But the short place to go is just by your right hand corner here, where you see this green line with an indicator of charging symbol. When you click on it, it will reactivate your mining for the next 24 hours. Now we are actually registering on the web. This you are seeing here is not an app. Immediately you click on the registration link, it comes to the project web. So it is on the web that we actually carry out our registration. Now, how do you go about getting the what's it called, the application into your phone, so that you don't keep going to your browser to actually reactivate your mining every 24 hours? So you really need to be going to the web. So you know it is more easier to have the app, and once you click the app, you reactivate and you continue with other things you want to do. So you still come back to this left hand corner, the three parallel lines we have there. You click on that three parallel line. So when you click on the three parallel line, you go to the last option where you see profile. So the last option we have profile. So click on the profile there, and you click on the profile, you're going to see link. So this link that you're seeing here, you can see the write-up we have. That is where you're going to see your username, you're going to see your invitation code. Then the next thing you're going to see is available now on the Apple Store. For me, I think the Apple Store is not really available now, because there's no link for the Apple Store to actually paste into the browser, so that we can use that link to get the app for those that are using iPhone. But meanwhile, you can still try it and check through the browser if it is actually available. But for now, the link we only have here is the link for those that are using Android phone. So this link, though it is in APK, so just like I said earlier, we don't have the app on the Play Store yet, but we get the app through the APK. And how to get it now, what you need to do is to click on this link that is here, this link under here. So you copy the link. So when you copy the link, you go to your browser. You can close down this, go to your browser. You can use any browser, either Chrome or whatever browser you have. So click on the browser and paste the link there. Remember, I want to download the app, so you send it. So you can see downloading file. So the file is downloading now. That is the app. The TTC Network app is downloading now. So when it finishes download, we're going to install it into our phone. So let's check on the download button. So let's click on the download button. So it's still downloading. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the download to complete. Okay, so the download has completed. So let's click on it. Install. You say, do you want to install this app? Yes, install it. So now we open. Good. So now this is the app. This is the app. Now we need to reactivate our mining. Of course, we need to log in. Sorry, we need to log in because we just downloaded the app into the phone. So we need to log in with our details. The details you see. Type account. The account you type in there is the username you use in registration. So the username that I used, the one you use, you type it out there. No. So the password you used, that is the password you use for registration. You also type it out. So you click on OK. So we are successfully logging into our account, and the mining continue. Of course, we activated the mining on the web before coming to download the app. So the mining continues. So what you just need to do now is to keep going to your app. You search for your app. That is T. So you can see it here. This is TCC. So under T, you see your TCC mining app there. The one you see in purple, that is the app. So you click on it, it will open the app for you. Then you can activate and reactivate your mining every 24 us. So this is the full details on how to go about registering for TTC Network, and this project is a very future promising project that no one is expected to fade out with it. And I hope everyone actually sees this opportunity to mine good token for themselves. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of updates on new mining projects app, so which I am actually releasing bit by bit. So I will still be releasing a lot of it subsequently after this. So if you want to follow along with me and you want to make money along with me, as you know, we are in this space for us all to actually make money together. So kindly click on the subscribe button and follow me, so that as I release subsequent videos, you're going to be notified. And see you then in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.